Welcome back to WHHI News. Joining me now is Mark Weisner of Barefoot Sports. You guys have been around for a long time.
Yes, we have.
How many years?
Well,
come on.
A while.
A while.
I like 30.
Now, for people that don't know, you're doing the Bluffton Sunset Parties. You've been doing them for a while.
Yes.
What are they, and when's the next one?
All right, so Oyster Factory Park, beautiful place. We started 11 years ago, believe it or not. And it's kind of a little tiny beer, music, and food festival, and it's a monthly event. We do it every month throughout the summer. We skip August because, you know, it's a little buggy, it's a little hot,
a little warm
everything.
then.
And then we do one in September.
Wonderful. And I know you've got entertainment, as you mentioned, so on Friday, May 19th is your next one. Who's going to be performing, and what kinds of things will people find there?
Thomas Claxton and the Myth. Thomas is a Savannah musician who has been around and played with some phenomenal players. And he's going to bring his band of The Myth, and they're going to perform. They're our headliner. And then Pete Carroll, super nice guy from Bluffton, local guy.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you know,
got to mix
covers.
it up.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, and support the local folks. Now, it starts at 5:30, is that right?
5:30 to 9:30.
Okay.
Pete will play the first 2 hours. Thomas Claxton and Myth will play the second 2 hours. We also have a great beer garden, because I'm a beer guy.
Are you?
You can tell.
Really?
I earn, earn the belly.
Yeah.
So we have like 40 different beers.
Wow.
A little wine bar with wine and Prosecco.
Nice.
And then we have the domestic beers for those people.
That sounds like fun. Now, if you're under 12, you can't drink the beer, but you can still come with your family, right?
Yeah, we'd get in big trouble for that.
Yeah.
Yes, kids under 12 are free. Leash pets are permitted.
Okay.
Sometimes I say leash kids, but you
you
can't say
might get
that
in trouble
anymore.
for that.
Yeah, you can't say that.
And now you do charge an admission, right? And
We do. We have to. Things
Yeah.
are expensive, and
But some of this goes towards your charities of choice, correct?
right. So this year we have two charities. We have the Miss Hilton Head Bluffton organization, lovely group of ladies who participate in pageants, and then our bartender type charity is Your Soundstage, which is music oriented, giving instruments to people that can't afford them.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a Bluffton organization.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you said you actually get people from that organization involved as far as being servers or whatever.
Yes, they'll be on site. They'll serve some of the beer, and all the tip money will go to them.
That's great. Why'd you ever start doing this?
Well, I like doing events. It's a barefoot sports thing, and originally it's a fundraiser, and we started out as Bluffton, like Hilton Head, a lot of people live behind gates, right? So it's an opportunity to bring everybody together. Of course, Bluffton's grown a lot.
It sure has, hasn't it? Yeah. And I've only been here like 13, 14 years, but it has. It's a great place. But still, there are people behind those gates.
Yes.
It's great for everyone to get together.
It's an opportunity for everybody to get together.
Well, when I think barefoot sports, because I remember you when I first got here and there were road races and you were involved with the timing and registration, everything else, but you've really kind of expanded out as far as doing this?
Well, we used to do beer festivals throughout the Southeast and soccer tournaments throughout the Southeast, but we've kind of brought it back in, and right now we're just doing the sunset parties in Bluffton and a few races. We sold off some of our bigger races, always looking at other opportunities. So if you're out there and you've got a great idea,
get in touch with you,
right?
But that's a lot of work, is it not?
It is.
Yeah.
And it's like everyone else, it's hard to get help. We used to have interns all the time, and whole production staff.
Though.
But
that's probably a good experience for interns, I would think.
Oh, it's phenomenal. My interns have some of the best jobs around.
Really?
I'm really proud of a lot of them.
That's awesome to see them go from working with you to being successful in their careers. I mean, events are a huge, huge business, are they not?
Oh, yes, enormous.
Yeah, and so if they get some experience with you, that's definitely a step up or a step ahead.
Yes.
Okay, so Sunset Party Tour, is it called Sunset Palooza? Is that right?
Each one has their own little brand. So this one is Sunset Palooza.
Okay.
And then, the next one and the next one all have different names.
Keep coming up with the creative names. Now, if I want tickets, what do I do?
You can go to BlufftonSunsetParty.com.
Okay.
And you buy them in advance. They're less expensive. You can buy a group of tickets, 6 tickets for $60, so $10 a piece, or $15 each, and then they're a little more at the door, but it's a cash event.
Right.
So bring your cash with you. We still like cash.
Yeah, a lot of people are going in that direction these days. And Mark Weisner, we are glad you're here and planning these parties. You're going to shake my hand even?
Yes, I am.
All right.
I'd hug you, but all that stuff's in the way.
We'll do that after, okay? All right, and we will be right back.